Hi students. So this is the Excel. Now what we're going to do is that I have entered some marks here, the name of the students as well as some marks here. So now the thing is, let's zoom in here. Alright. For zoom in, it is control. You have to press on the control key from the keyboard, any control key, the left one or the right one, and use the mouse wheel button. Okay. Right. So like I have to enter the marks. Like for example, Sandhya, she got 45. Then tab. The moment I press the tab, we'll go to the next tab. So she got about 40, then 42, 44, and 42. Right. Now see here, only the name and the marks I have entered beforehand. So now what I need is that I need to give the space on the top. For that, what I'm going to do here is insert and one more insert. Alright. So here I'm going to write here the serial number, name, English, maths, science, SST, and Hindi. Alright. We have to find out the total, average, and percentage. Alright. So now first I have to enter the serial number. So I already have 1, 2, and 3. And for the remaining, just have to select this tree. And if you look at here, there is a small green dot on this side. So I'll just do here the see. The moment I double pressed it here, all the numbers came up automatically. All right. So now I'll just zoom out a little bit and I will just make it a boxes, all box. This name I'm going to put in the bold, the serial number also in the bold form. All right. Okay. Now on top, I'll write here the uh, class UKG. Okay. So now what I'll do here is I'll just select all the cells and here you will see that margin set on here. So I'll just click here and you will see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These 10 cells combined into one cell. Alright. For that I just have to select the cells and then click here the margin center. Alright. Okay. So now I have to find out the total, that is equal to sum bracket from this till this, bracket close and enter. See here the marks already entered. The total of all these fields came up here. All right. Now I have to come out the average. So equal to this by number of cells 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 5. So the average is coming here 42. Now double click here. See. Then comes the percentage. For the percentage, I have to know the formula. That is equal to bracket open this the H3 cell by number of total number, that is 50 here in English, 50 in maths, 50 in science, 50 in SST, 50 in Hindi. So 5 subjects are here. So For 5, the total full marks is 250. Bracket close, into 100. See here, the 84% came up. Now again, I'll just double click here. See here, the entire percentage came up automatically. Now, what is the purpose of doing it? The purpose is that if suppose in Hindi, this Pratap Kumar in Hindi out of 50, he got 12. See here, the percentage will automatically change the average and the total. Again, I'll change it to 39. See here again, everything changed again. Alright. So this is the way by which I can change the numbers automatically without searching for it. Now to take out the graph, so I'll just select here and then I'll go on the data. Sorry, I'll go on the insert, and then there are a certain number of charts here. From there, I'll just select this or this or this. Let's do one thing. I'll select here. See here. All right. Suppose I want that the name along with the percentage should come up. For that, I'll go again. I have selected the name cells as well as the percentage cells, and then I'll go to the pie and create a 3D. So now here you can see here that every name has a color, and this color is being denoted here by the pie chart. All right. So this is termed as a pie chart graph. All right. Now these are the name of the students list of our school. So now what I'll show you here is that the filters, how to use the filters. So for that, I have to select here. I've selected the A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1 and G1. After selecting this, I'll go here, the sort and filter option and filter. So all the filters came up here. Now let's do one thing. I want to take out number of students whose roll number has 0. So I'll just click here and select the 0. Okay. See, these are all the names that has the roll number entered as 0. All right. Now let's do one thing again. Let's find the students whose roll numbers are 10, 11, 12, and 13. These 4 roll numbers, okay, of every class. I'm talking from the nursery to class 10. See here. All right. Now you can see here all the roll numbers from the 10, 11, 12 of each classes came up here. All right. So this is the work of the filter option here. Now the same is that you can see here the cells are not in a proper condition. The cells are very large. So to shorten it up, I'll just click here and I'll drag it here. Now you can see on this cell, the hierarchy has entered under the cell E. Okay. So like this mean the Darbhanga, Hattori Darbhanga, then here also Vaikund. All these names you are seeing here, you can see here that the names have entered under the cell E. So for that, what I will do here is, I will just select the entire content and here's an option that is known as the wrap text. So I'll just click here and see the wrap text. The hierarchy that went under this cell came up like this condition. All right. Now you can see here the cells are not in a proper size. This cell is the by the row wise and the height wise are different. So for that, first I will just select all, Control A, and then I'll do here the format here, auto row height. Okay, and then auto fit column width. All right, now I'll turn on the wrap text. Done here. Then again I will do here the auto fit height. Now you can see here the cells are or all the cells are in the same height as much as it required. But still some cells are small and some cells are big. So I'll select again, go to format, row height, and put here 25. Then the moment I press OK, all the cells are of the height 25. I want more height, so I'll do here what, row height, and increase to 30. Now you can see here that everything has been changed to 30. All the cells height, no matter which cell you check. Suppose I'm clicking here, I'll go here format, row height, and see here the cell size is 30. All right. So I believe the Excel, the things that is required for you, the Excels are all being completed here. If there's any question, please let me know.